Hello everybody. Today we continue to unpack dolls. And today I'm with my helper, Santa. And today we'll unpack LOL Surprise Mini Sweets. From the previous videos, we unpacked those cute dolls. And today we'll unpack their friends. But I'm making this video for my kind, helpful friend. Let's start it. And I like that on the zip you have a sweetie. I don't know. Write in my comments what do you think this sweet is. I don't know if it's the same one or is it not the same, because how you see we've got the same thing. Okay, we'll open it here. Those are presents. And here is a dolly. Here. Okay. Let's unpack it. Here we put some presents. Okay, the first one. Wow, look at those glasses. They're like a Jelly Belly. Look. They're like hearts. I don't know, they're like beans. There's something little. Wow, look at those bracelets. They're covered with spikes, like rock guys. And it's black. Cool presents. It's the same, like light pinky color. Wow, look at this Jelly Belly bag. It's with spikes and it's got some things. Okay, let's try this. Oh, look. It's like a top, and you've got one of t-shirts on zips, and it's like a jacket, cool jacket. Okay. Oh. Wow, look at this skirt. It has many zips, and this is our favorite sweet for our girl, Jelly Belly. It got a zip. It's half black and half black stripes and purple stripes. Here, a water bottle. Wow, look at this water bottle. It is purple with black spots, and it got a zip and it's got Jelly Belly. She is like in those dark colors like Wednesday. We've got some. What is it really? Wow, look at this boot. It got very big, like shoe top, and it's black. And if you see it, here's a sign in ancient Egypt. You've got when you died, or it's a sign of luck. The same colors. And this one, you know what's inside. Another book. And I didn't see it, but look, Jelly Belly. This girl is really Jelly Belly fan. Another book. Okay. And the moment of truth. Look at this girl. She has a swimming suit with her underpants. They are with purple and black. She got this black top with two of circles. She got earrings. She has dark, like light brown eyes. Her lips, and as you see, she got purple colored hair, but she has a black. Okay, let's put her suit on. I think she's rock girl, not for cutie little ones. Wait, look at her. She's even looking good at this, but we must put it on. Oh, it looks wrong. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, we are putting it on. Look how she looks. She's like in a band, like she got those glasses and putting it on. And they're form of jelly, you know, or beans, sweet beans. Yeah, good. It's jelly belly. Wow, she's looking cool like this. I'll give her her bag and her water. She'll stand here. For her, those colors are not much for her. They're looking so dark with her. Okay, guys, look. This is my, for now, my Mini Sweets Cereal 2 collection. This is Swimming Girl. I put her. I'm calling her the Swimming Girl. This is Purple Girl. And this is Rock Girl. If you saw the film Aquaman, you need to put likes. And if you didn't see the Aquaman film, you need to put comments. And like the Aquaman. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Bye bye. Have a good day. Write comments. Put like on my video. And bye bye.